best code editor for 2025. If you're choosing the right code editor in 2025, then today we are comparing three big players, which is Visual Studio Code, Cursor, and Windsurf. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First up, we have Visual Studio Code or VSCode. It's the king of code editors. It has free, open source, and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's super customizable with tons of extensions like GitHub, Copilot, or AI help. It's great for all kinds of coding, but it can feel a bit heavy with lots of plugins. The next, we have Cursor. This is a VS Code, but with a built-in AI using models like Cloud 3.5 Sonet. Its agent mode is awesome. It can edit multiple files, run commands, and suggest code super fast. It's perfect for developers who want quick, smart coding, but the Pro plan costs $20 a month. And lastly, we have Windsurf, another VS Code or by Kodium. It's designed to be super simple and beginner-friendly. Its cascade feature is like a smart assistant, pulling content from your whole project and even writing changes to files for you to check. It's cheaper at $15 a month and great for big projects. The VS Code is best if you love free tools and tons of extensions. It's super flexible. Cursor shines for speed and AI-driven coding, great for teams and pros. Windsurf is perfect for beginners or big code bases with its smart context and lower price. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.